欢迎跟我学中文。今天我们学习怎么说
How'd you get that?
I know someone who knows someone who knows an elf.
How'd you get that?
你怎么会有他的电话？你怎么会有他的电话？
I know someone who knows someone who knows an elf.
我认识一个熟人的熟人，认识一个小精灵。我认识一个熟人的熟人，认识一个小精灵。我们先来学一下生词。你怎么会有他的电话？ This again is not a word-for-word conversion to Chinese because it would not have made sense. This is more likely that people would say to ask the same question. 你怎么会We'll look at this phrase a bit more later with examples. 有他的电话 Note here that refers to Santa's cell phone number. In Chinese, though, we need to specifically refer to phone number. We don't use pronouns so much the same way as they are in English. 电话 This literally means phone, but we also use it to refer to phone number. 我认识的一个熟人的熟人认识一个小精灵。我认识一个熟人。Now, 熟人 literally means a cooked person, but don't get horrified by this idea. This is a very common word. The word 熟 forms lots and lots of terms like this. We'll discuss it a bit more later with examples. 一个熟人的熟人认识一个小精灵怎么会 something How did something happen? There is no corresponding structure in English, but it's very closely related to a simple past tense question. 怎么会有他的电话？ How did you get his phone number? 怎么会烂了？ How did it get broken? 怎么会没了？ How did it get lost? 怎么会坏了？ How did it get stopped working? 熟 cooked, but its derived meaning is well conversed, well practiced, or experienced in something. It forms lots of double word terms that are used in daily conversation. 熟人 someone you know to a certain degree. 熟客 customers who come to your business again and again. 熟手 someone who is very well practiced in doing what they do. 熟路 a road that you travel on a lot and know very well. 好，下一节我们学习怎么说。
And if any of you acts up, so help me, I will call Santa and I will tell him you want socks for Christmas.
If you find this content useful, please like this video to support my channel. 多谢各位的陪伴，我们下次见。